I'm Antea, and we are Team Zepsor Technologies.
Hi, my name is Matteo Rinaldi. I'm the technical lead of Team Zepsor.
Hello, my name is Zhenyun Qian. I'm the co-technical lead of Team Zepsor Technologies.
And I'm Dave Horsley, the mentor for Team 1949.
Hi, I'm Sungho, entrepreneur lead for Team Zepsor.
Have you ever experienced your laptop turning off even if you're still there because it no longer sees you? Or your automated thermostat or light turning off even if you're still in the room but not moving? Well, we are working on zero-power wireless infrared sensors that we believe can improve your experience with home automation.
When we first started our iCore journey, we initially thought we were going to have a value proposition built around fire detection, especially to address all kinds of fire problems in construction and renovation sites. Then we started our first customer discovery process. We talked to construction project managers and the risk engineers from insurance companies, and they were all admitting that during the initial stage of a construction site, there currently isn't any proper protection from fire. But then one of the eye-opening interviews that we did was with Srini, a research project manager at the National Fire Protection Association. It turned out, in order to mandate a better fire protection system in their codes and standards, it could easily take 6 years. So here is when we decided to pivot.
In the meantime, we decided to explore the human occupancy market. We reached out to home automation companies and discovered that they detect a human presence in a room through motion sensors, which often still fail in recognizing between humans and pets, or in lack of movement they don't detect presence at all. Also, the power consumption is still a big struggle, and the race to improve the technology is still ongoing. Realizing that our human occupancy detector solved these two massive problems, finalized our customer segment and value proposition.
iCore taught us to focus on the benefits our technology can offer to our customers, rather than the technology features. And this in the end helped us understand where and how we'll be able to provide the most out of Zepsor technologies.